Here is the truck that will revolutionize your daily drive. This is the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning XLT, an all-electric, zero-emission, 4x4 SuperCrew. This truck is designed for modern life in the Fraser Valley with a huge lockable front trunk for incredible storage, a 360-degree camera for effortless parking, and an included mobile power cord for easy charging at home. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. What if your daily driver could also handle every weekend project and adventure? What if it never needed a single drop of gas? This 2025 F-150 Lightning is the everyday truck you've been waiting for. Think about your daily routine. You can store your groceries, work tools, or gym bags securely in the massive weatherproof front trunk. Navigating a tight parking lot in Abbotsford is simple with the 360-degree camera. Access is easy with a fixed extended running boards and a dealer-installed SecuriCode keypad. And for all your weekend jobs, the bed comes protected with a factory spray-in liner and has a convenient tailgate step. A question we get is, it sounds like a great daily driver, but is it still a real truck? Without a doubt. This Lightning is built on a high-strength, fully boxed steel frame and comes with an 8,350-pound GVWR package. It's equipped with a standard Class 4 trailer hitch, trailer sway control, and even advanced technologies like Pro Trailer Hitch Assist and Pro Trailer Backup Assist. It is every bit a true Ford truck, just powered by electricity. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.